Gavanas mawuok e nyandwat mar piny Kenya ywago deko mar pok mar omenda kowuok e agulu maduong' mar omenda ma pacho ka. Jakom mar riwruogno mar Gavanas Mohamud Ali wacho ni Gavanas onge kod omenda mar tayo chenro mag kaontis ka koro gikwayo migawo mar omenda mondo omi kaontis omenda mapiyo kapok chenro mag kaontis okethore.
Our plea, especially to the Commission on Revenue Allocation, kindly consider that we are playing catch-up. The development is not equal, and all we are demanding is that for us to have equal development with the other regions of Kenya, more resources have to be allocated to the frontier counties.
All those mini solar projects are now dead just because of lack of maintenance by Kenya Power and Lighting Company. And we are calling upon the Minister of Energy to urgently address this issue, these wrangles between the REREC and the Kenya Power and Lighting, so that we also get the so-called digital economy, so that our youth can be empowered, so that we can emphasize on the issue of IHubs.
The Turkana County, which is just a few kilometers, not even a kilometer away, at least about 500 meters from the main Kenyan hydropower at Lorokon. But we still use a generator, which has really been occasioned by issues of blackout. I think, to me, this is great injustice, that some parts of the country